Hey guys, welcome to Home Decor. Today I'm gonna take you on a journey back in time as we explore some incredible small bathroom designs and decorating ideas. Let's start. Designing and decorating a small bathroom effectively requires a smart use of space, light, and style. Here are some ideas to help maximize space while keeping the area functional and stylish. First, maximize space with smart layout. Corner sinks and vanities. Corner sinks free up floor space, while wall-mounted vanities leave room underneath, creating a more open feel. Floating shelves. These add storage without taking up floor space. You can use them for towels, plants, or decorative items. Slating or pocket doors instead of a swing door, which can take up space. A slating or pocket door offers a sleek alternative. Use light colors. Lighter colors such as whites, soft grays, and light pastels make the space feel larger and more airy. You can add pops of color throughout accessories like towels and rugs. Opt for large mirrors. Large or even wall-to-wall mirrors create an illusion of more space by reflecting light and extending the room visually. Compact pictures. Choose pictures designed for smaller spaces, such as narrow-profile toilets and vanities. Wall-mounted toilets and sinks can also save valuable space. Vertical storage. Use the vertical space for storage by installing tall cabinets, shelving units, or ladder-style shelves. Hooks and rails can be used for hanging towels, ropes, and baskets. Glass shower doors. A glass shower door instead of a container helps open up the room and makes it appear more spacious. A frameless design is even sleeker. Neutral or shameless flooring. Continuous flooring like large tiles or shameless vinyl visually stretches the space. If you use tiles, opt for a smaller grout line to reduce visual clutter. Add statement features. Small bathrooms benefit from a few standout features like a unique light fixture, a stylish bucket, or a bold child pattern in a makeover. Keep these accents minimal to avoid overwhelming the space. Efficient lighting. Good lighting is essential. Use a mix of ambient, dusk, and accent lighting. Seats lights, sconces, or LED straps on the cabinet can keep the space bright without taking up too much room. Multifunctional furniture and fixtures. Consider multifunctional elements like a vanity with extra drawers, mirrors with built-in storage, or a towel bars combined with shelving. on these ideas, you can make even the smallest bathroom functional and stylish, with a sense of openness and comfort. Here are some practical tips for designing and decorating a small bathroom. Use light colors and reflective surfaces. Light colors like white, basic, or pastels create the illusion of space. Reflective surfaces such as glossy tiles and mirrors bounce light around and make the room feel larger. Opt for floating vanity. A floating vanity keeps the floor space clear, making the bathroom feel more open and less cluttered. Install a pocket or sliding door. Regular swing doors take up precious floor space. A pocket or sliding door is a smart space-saving solution. Choose large mirrors. Large or wall-to-wall mirrors create the illusion of depth and make a small bathroom feel more spacious. Incorporate vertical storage. Utilize all space for shelving or tall cabinets. Hooks, racks, and ladder-style shelves can store towels and toiletries without crowding the room. Consider a glass shower enclosure. A clear glass shower door visually extends the room, unlike a shower curtain that cuts it off. A frameless design is even more streamlined. Use smaller, compact fixtures. Choose compact toilets, sinks, and vanities. Designs for small spaces. Wall-mounted options can save even more space. Keep it clutter-free. Minimalism is key in small bathrooms. Keep only essential items visible and store the rest. Baskets, trays, and organizers can help. Use multifunctional furniture. Choose pieces that serve dual purposes, like a mirror with built-in storage or a vanity with extra drawers. Maximize lighting. Good lighting can transform a small space. Use layered lighting, ambient, dusk, and accent to brighten up the bathroom without adding bulk. Consider LED stripes under cabinets or around mirrors. Use large format tiles. Large tiles reduce grout lines, which creates a more seamless look and visually expands the space. Opt for a pedestal or wall-mounted sink. If storage is not a major concern, consider a pedestal or wall-mounted sink, which takes up minimal floor space and creates a more open feel. Install recessed storage. Glass built into the shower wall or recessed shelving in the walls provide storage without taking up extra space, making the bathroom feel more streamlined. Go for a frameless mirror cabinet. Mirror cabinets are practical, but in a small bathroom, opt for frameless designs that blend in with the wall, creating a sleek, seamless look. Emphasize vertical lines, vertical patterns, whether in wallpaper, tiles, or paneling, draw the eye upward, making the ceiling feel higher and the room more spacious. Use transparent or leaf-side accessories. Transparent or leaf-side storage containers, towel holders, or shelves visually take up less space, helping the room feel airy. Incorporate multifunctional lighting fixtures. Look for fixtures that combine lighting with storage or mirrors. For instance, an illuminated mirror with built-in shelving can be a game changer in small spaces. Choose a light shower curtain. If you prefer a shower curtain over glass, pick on a light color or with a subtle pattern. This avoids visually dividing the space. Play with texture and patterns. Use textured styles or wallpaper with small, subtle patterns to add depth and interest without overwhelming the space. Vertical stripes or geometric patterns work well in small bathrooms. Add greenery. Small plants can bring life into a small bathroom. Opt for wall-mounted planters or hang plants from the ceiling to avoid taking up counter space. Use backlit mirrors. Backlit mirrors provide soft, even lighting and add a modern floating effect that makes the space feel larger. Think about corner storage. Corners are often overlooked, but they are perfect for shelving, corner vanities, or even a small triangular cabinet. Go for continuous materials, using the same material of the floor and shower walls, or extending tiles halfway up the wall. Creates visual continuity that tricks the eye into seeing a larger space. Install a towel warmer. A wall-mounted towel warmer saves space and serves dual purposes by heating the room slightly while keeping towels dry and warm. Limit bold colors and busy patterns, while accent colors and patterns can be fun. Use them sparingly in small bathrooms. Too many bold elements can overwhelm the space and make it feel cluttered. By incorporating these additional tips, you can further optimize your small bathroom to be both functional and stylish while maximizing every inch of space. Here are even more tips for enhancing your small bathrooms. Use light curtains or blinds if your bathroom has a window. Opt for shade or light-colored curtains or blinds. They provide privacy while still allowing natural light to filter through, brightening the space. Add a skylight. If possible, a skylight can flood the bathroom with natural light without taking up any wall space. making the room feel more open and airy. Consider mirror tiles or panels. Mirror tiles or wall panels can amplify light and give the illusion of a larger space. Use them aesthetically behind vanities or on accent walls. Use a monochromatic color scheme. Sticking to a single color or shades of the same color creates a cohesive look, making the room feel bigger. Opt for lighter shades like soft grays, whites, or bases. Incorporate wall nices for toiletries. Get built-in wall nices in the shower or above the sink to store toiletries, soaps, and other essentials, saving counter space. Hang towels vertically. Use vertical towel racks or bars that can hold multiple towels in a small footprint. Ladder-style towel racks are a stylish and space-efficient choice. Go for frameless glass shelves. Glass shelves are perfect for small bathrooms as they are visually light and don't add bulk. Install them above tile or next to the sink for extra storage. Install compact laundry basket. If you need a laundry basket in the bathroom, choose a slim vertical one that can fit into narrow spaces without obstructing pathways. Use all over the toilet storage unit. Utilize the space above your toilet for shelving or a small cabinet to store towels, toiletries, and decor items. Opt for recessed lighting. Recessed lights save ceiling space and provide clean, unobtrusive lighting, perfect for small bathrooms. Install a wall-mounted bucket. A wall-mounted bucket allows you to use a shallower sink and vanity, freeing up more floor space. Use a half wall for the shower instead of a full wall or curtain. A half wall with a glass panel maintains separation while keeping an open feel. Try round vanity. Round vanities take up less room and traditional square or rectangular designs, making them ideal for tight spaces. Choose space-saving toilets. Look for compact and tankless toilets that take up less space without compromising functionality. Install a curved shower rod. A curved shower rod gives the illusion of more space inside the shower without encroaching on the rest of the bathroom. Create a quick jump in very small bathrooms, combining the shower and main area into a bathroom with waterproof surfaces can save space and create a modern, minimalist look. These extra tips provide more creative and space-efficient ideas to help you make the most of a small bathroom while keeping it functional and stylish. Subscribe our channel if you find it useful. Thanks for watching.